So this is a very personal opinion. So I have taught, I have authored books, I work with startups in curriculum designing, I have done teacher training, I've managed projects for people, I've been a freelancer in others' projects. But I think that feeling of that zing that comes when you work with the kids, and my forte was and is middle school kids, that is not captured by anything. So when people ask me today, or teachers ask me today, should we quit teaching? I say, if you like it, stay where you are. You can run a side hustle, but don't step out, because nothing that you do will get you the same feeling as you did when you work with the kids. Thank you.